In this video, I will show you how to install Laravel Boost in your Laravel 12 application. So I will show you how to install Laravel 12 and then we'll install Laravel Boost, which is the AI assistant. Uh, and uh, and this will help us to connect with the Laravel application and the Laravel Boost and generate code using Copilot. So now I will install Laravel. So I have a Docker setup. Okay, and these are my containers, and this is my PHP server container where I have three projects installed, and those projects are Laravel projects. So if I go and if I do ls, you can see that I have three projects, example 1, example 2, and example 3. And I have also installed, and you can see that I have on my local host port 8000, this Laravel application is running. So now what we will do is we will install another new Laravel 12 projects, and then we will install Laravel Boost, the AI assistant, and then we will integrate it and communicate with GitHub Copilot and generate model controllers and more. Okay, so now let's go and install Laravel project first. Okay, so now what we will do, we will use this command over here. And I'm going to create example 4 and the Laravel project version is 12 greater than 12.0. So I'm going to click enter and this will install the required packages. Okay, this would take some time as it's downloading and installing the packages. Here you can see that the Laravel 12 application has been installed. Okay, with all the packages, and now we can go and install Laravel Boost. So first we will see our example 4 if it is loading. So since we have installed Laravel application on the Git, so this will take some. Okay, and you can see that the example 4 application has been running now. Okay, so next step is to install Laravel Boost. So we will go to Laravel Boost. Okay, so let's scroll down and boost your Laravel development with AI assistance. Once I click this, you can see the official documentation and there is an install guide here. So I click on this. Okay, then what I do is I copy this. Okay, now if I go, I say ls, you can see the applications, example 1, example 2, example 3, and example 4 listed. So I will provide this link in the description of the Docker file where you can install multiple Laravel applications. I also made a video and I also have a link to the website so you can copy the Docker files and install this. Okay, so now what I will do is I will go to cd example 4. Okay, so I'll say ls now. You can see all of my Laravel files. I'll say clear here and let me install the boost. Okay, okay, now it will install the boost. So this will take time based on your internet speed. Okay, you can see the packages that are discovered by Laravel Boost. Okay, and now it has installed MCP and all other packages. So now it is the time to go to the step 2. So I go to the step 2 and install the Laravel Boost using the artisan command. So I click copy the command, I paste it here, and now I install it. So next step, it will start installing the boost. Okay, now you can see that I have the additional settings. They have told me what I'm using. So in my code, I'm using VS Code. So I'm clicking space enter, and then which agents I'm using is I'll use GitHub Copilot. Okay, enter, and this will install it now. So this will take some time. Okay, now you can see that it has installed Laravel Boost. Okay, it added me the guidelines and it installed the MCP servers to my connected IDE. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the new folder, the project that I just created, and you can see under VS Code it has added mcp.json. Okay, these are the settings, and you can see under GitHub it added me Copilot instructions. Okay, so you can choose whatever Gemini or whichever AI agents you're using. Okay, next what I'm going to do is since my Boost is installed now, so we need to start the server. Okay, so it will give me instructions in VS Code. So if you can see here, it has given me instructions called as Command Shift and P. So I'm going to say Control plus Shift control. Okay, I'm going to say this. I'm going to use this Control Shift P, Control Shift P. And now what I'm going to do is Control Shift P. Okay, wait, I'm just going to Control Shift P. So you can see this list, MCP list servers. So it's telling me to select the MCP list servers. So I have to select this Control Shift P and MCP list servers. And you can see that Laravel Boost is stopped. So I have to start this server over here like this. And you can see that it is giving me error because my PHP version is pointing to the XAMPP. Okay. So since I'm using a Docker container, so I'm using this PHP version. So I'll have to set up different uh, MCP settings. Okay, so let's do that. So here what I will do is now I will replace this settings with this, and this will be my example 4 project. So save this, and then what I will do is I will again say I can restart my server here. You can see. So I will click on restart. And this is my PHP container. This is the container of the Docker, and it will execute the Docker command. And you can see that it's starting the server and it's waiting for the Laravel application to respond to the request. So once it responds, it is discovered 15 tools. You can see here. So that means it is Laravel Boost can now communicate with the Laravel application. Okay, and we have also a Copilot installed. So now let's create one controller. So let's go ahead and create one controller. So I'm giving it the path. So I'll give it this. Okay, so what I will do is I will give it this path and I will say create me create me articles article controller. Okay, these are my MCPs .json settings. Okay, and if I say enter, just a basic controller with with def with the common functions. Okay, so now it will communicate with my application and then it will create. So I'm given it a proper instruction. PHP artisan controller. Okay, it's not a resource controller. Also, I am using Docker container and my app is in Docker container. Okay, so it is giving me the correct command. If you can see that will execute this in this place. I say allow. So let's see if we get errors. And this will execute the command. So you can see that the article controller has been created successfully and it will create the common methods for me and you can see all these common methods have been created as a keep and we have all this controller. So you can also create a model and other things using this. So hope you understood something in this video and please do comment if you have any queries. And I will post the code links and the other useful links of the Docker into the description so you can view it. So thanks for watching, guys.